Maybe we're late to the Christmas decorating party this year because we just dug out the Christmas decorations. And so I thought, well, don't be a Scrooge house and let's do some art related to Christmas. So I thought, hey, this will be pretty easy. Do a Christmas bulb. I've had a lot of luck in the past with Christmas bulbs. This particular Christmas bulb sketch was not exactly coming into riveting focus or anything like that. In fact, it looked pretty horrible. So anyway, then I was trying the spreader stump, thinking, oh well, maybe I'll get the look of a frosty metallic bulb with that, and that didn't work out at all either. So we're really struggling here with this bulb, and then I had the eraser. I was using a variety of pencils from HB all the way up to 6B, and working back and forth. And I thought, oh, well, I've seen these things where you throw water on a pencil drawing, so I thought, let me try that. Couldn't get much worse, right? And I don't know if it got much worse, but not exactly a huge success.